Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas, latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut and very attractive overall collection, overall ideas. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas to short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle, and some ideas fine hairstyle, and different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, Some ideas: step, undercut. And the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And so beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art. And so attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of highlight. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. And many much more beautiful and latest collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women who seen this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it on all our social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.